Okay, welcome back to our J&S YouTube channel. Got some new products in. Just thought we'd give you a quick insight as to what they are. We'll start with the jacket. Basically, we've got a new Hi Viz jacket, trouser and vest. Instead of the bright yellow, which is great in the daytime, but it doesn't reflect at night or anything like that, we've had this made up, okay? Now this is like the cat's eyes in the road. Basically, it absorbs and reflects any light from any direction. So we're going to tag a little video on the end and you'll be able to see how effective this stuff is. But it's absolutely unreal. I mean, when we first saw it, we thought it actually, at night time, we thought it had some sort of power source and it was illuminated. That's how good it is, and you're going to be able to see that, as I say, at the end when we tag the video on. But it captures every little bit of light and reflects it right back like a torch. You might even be able to see it glistening with the lights just from in here, even though it's daylight. It can be worn day and night, obviously. It's waterproof. It's an over jacket and over trousers, so you can put it over the top of your existing kit. The trousers are really good, nice elasticated waist. They come in lots of sizes. We've got lots of sizes in these. We've got zips up the legs to be able to get them on quite easily. Okay, and they're good heavy duty zips as well. The jacket, if I just nip back to that for a second, again, zip up the front to get it on. And then we've got adjustments here on the waist to get the perfect fit. And again, we've got a full complement of sizes. We've also got a drawstring at the bottom so you can close it in, stop the air coming up into there, stop it flapping around. Elastication again at the cuffs. So it's a fantastic two-piece set. You can buy them individually, you don't have to buy them as a pair. They're available in all the J&S stores, but wow, just wait till you see the video. These aren't going to last long. We probably need to reorder already, to be fair. Last item, the vest. Okay, so if you just want something to make that a little bit more visible at night, you don't want to wear the full over jacket, then this is the answer. Again, full size range. It's got like a lycra fabric down the sides, just give it a little bit of adjustment there. But then we've got the Velcro just to tighten it over to get it absolutely perfect. They are AirTech lined, so they don't stick to you when you're trying to get them on. That goes for everything, the vest, the trouser and the jacket. They're just incredibly reflective, these things. Something a little bit special that we're very proud to have had manufactured. Right, here at J&S we're constantly concerned with the safety of our riders and our customers, so we developed a two-piece rain suit that is going to help out with nighttime riding. It doesn't look much as it is at the moment, but in a second we're going to shine some light on it and you can see how effective this is going to be at nighttime. Right, we've just got a light shining on this two-piece waterproof now, and as you can see, it's completely transformed it. It just is like, it's as though it's illuminated. Fantastic for nighttime riding, and it'll keep you nice and safe. We're going to go outside with it now and see how effective it is outside. Okay, so this is Phil stood outside at nighttime. You can see he's shining like a Felicia beacon. It is absolutely unreal. Get yourself down to J&S Accessories now and pick up some of this nighttime safety gear. Okay, that's that for today. Please remember to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Ding the notification bell to get more videos like this.